Di tengah era digital yang sangat pesat, dunia cyber menjadi tantangan serta peluang untuk menggapai cita-cita kita. Dengan teknologi di tangan, kita dituntut untuk menjadi pemimpin masa depan dan menjadi teladan di tengah masyarakat untuk menuju generasi emas Indonesia. Oleh karena itu, gantungkanlah cita-citamu setinggi langit. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Shalom, Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya, salam kebajikan, dan salam sejahtera bagi kita semua. Halo, nama saya Alisha Ibrahim. Saya lahir 15 tahun lalu di Kota Pahlawan, Surabaya. Dan sekarang, saya adalah siswa di SPK SMA Sincung. Sebagai siswa, saya memiliki aspirasi untuk menyalakan api semangat di dalam generasi ini, agar kita semua bisa bekerja sama menuju Indonesia emas. Saya adalah siswa aktif di SPK SMA Sincung, dan saya memperoleh juara umum 3 selama 2 tahun berturut-turut. Saya juga aktif di berbagai lomba seperti penelitian remaja, kesenian, debat bahasa Inggris, dan pidato. Di bidang penelitian, saya bersama tim memenangkan medali perak untuk lomba penelitian WISE, World Invention Competition and Exhibition, di tahun 2023 dan memperoleh medali emas untuk kompetisi penelitian ilmiah ISIF, ASEAN Innovative Science, Environmental, and Entrepreneur Fair di tahun 2025 dengan membawa revitalisasi kota tua Surabaya terhadap kesadaran sejarah lokal remaja sebagai tema penelitiannya, dan menekankan pentingnya anak muda Indonesia untuk mengerti sejarah situs warisan ini. Kemudian, saya mendapatkan medali perak dalam kompetisi melukis internasional Sri Pei Hong di Beijing, China, dan finalis dalam kompetisi tahunan The Junior Sketch Explorer Against Extinction dari Inggris. Karya-karya saya juga terpilih dalam pameran seni sebagai berikut: Kecil Itu Keren di Bellevue Art Space Jakarta dan di Jogja Move Art, Tumpu Undung di tahun 2024. Saya mempelajari teknik klasik vokal dan memperoleh tingkat tertinggi dalam ujian ABRSM, The Associated Board of the Royal Schools of Music, untuk ujian di tingkat grade 2 dan grade 3. Throughout 5 consecutive years, I joined the well-known English department club in my school, known as Sincung's Debate Society, an esteemed club where through vigorous training of debates and speech, the critical thinking skills of its members are honed in order to shape future diplomats and speakers. I acquired many rewards through competitions ranging from local to international levels, and here are several noteworthy achievements that I've won. Locally, I won first place as the youngest participant in the 2022 News Reading Competition by SMAN5 Surabaya. Nationally, I secured second place as the one and only finalist representing East Java and the whole Java Island in the rare one-time contest, English Speech Contest, held during Indonesia's 2022 G20 presidency. Furthermore, I won first place in the 2022 JHS Makone Cup English Speech Competition held by Penabur School, Jakarta. Moreover, my team and I won second place in the 2024 Porseni Debate Competition held by Papua Trilingual School. I continued my diplomatic journey by being a delegate as a leader in the Model United Nations (MUN), and have won several awards including Verbal Commendation in SCMUN, Best Delegate in SNAMUN, and recently winning Verbal Commendation as a double delegate in IMUN 2025 held by the University of Indonesia. Internationally, I represented my school and Indonesia by successfully bringing home more than 30 medals and 2 team trophies in the 2023 World Scholars Cup, securing the second best team debate in Ciputa School Surabaya, the top 15 overall champion team in the global round in Bangkok, Thailand, and finally the third best team in all of Indonesia in the Tournament of Champions, held on the other side of the world in Yale University in New Haven, the United States of America. In the Tournament of Champions, I also set individual records such as getting the top 43 best writing and the top 40 champion scholar among over 2,500 participants from all around the world. And these achievements only show the beginning of what we Indonesians are capable of. The achievements that I won could not have been done without the full support from my loving family, my dedicated teachers, and a school rooted in the growth of education and character. And Sinchong School has exceeded those requirements. Sinchong School is not just an educational institution, it's a second home that cultivates future Asian leaders. The school includes technological advancements such as smartboards in every class into its facilities in order to further aid the learning process. Other than the high standards for their students' quality of education, Sinchong also prioritizes the discipline of character through teaching the core values of Sinchong, which is precious, perseverance, prudence, respect, responsibility, enthusiasm, exploration, creativity, integrity, industriousness, optimism, understanding, and self-discipline. Along with education, these core values must never be forgotten, for they are both crucial to shape and build a future leader.
Surabaya iku kudu bangga rek. Kene iku terkenal waniye, ambek ceplas-ceplose. Aja kaget lho ya. Tapi arek Surabaya terkenal apik-apik. Surabaya ana satu budaya sing unik, sing beda mbek kota-kota lain. Pengen roh, yuk tak kandani.
Surabaya sebagai ibu kota Jawa Timur yang juga merupakan kota kosmopolitan tidak hanya didominasi oleh satu atau dua etnis besar, tetapi memiliki akulturasi dari 5 budaya yaitu Jawa, Arab, Tionghoa, Madura, dan Belanda, di mana mereka semua hidup berdampingan di wilayah Ampel, wilayah Eropa, kota tua Surabaya, dan juga wilayah Pecinan, Yahya Kebang Jepun, yang berada dalam satu aliran sungai Kalimas. Dengan adanya koeksistensi bersama ini, Surabaya kaya akan warisan arsitektur, kuliner, dan rempah-rempah. Salah satu contoh integrasi budaya yang unik di Surabaya adalah integrasi dari budaya Jawa, Arab, dan Cina yang menjadi satu, nampak pada bangunan Masjid Cengho. Keunikan Surabaya ini membangun tingginya toleransi warga Surabaya yang membentuk citra warga Surabaya yang terkenal ramah dan suka menolong. As a scholar pursuing my dreams and goals, I have many personal values that I uphold. To begin with, I always believe in sowing the best of yourselves into your efforts. Moreover, be brave in taking on new challenges. And lastly, develop your critical thinking by executing time management well and widening your perspective and knowledge. The youth of our nation with bright futures ahead, we must play our role in combating cybercrime. Stop believing hoaxes, stop cyberbullying, stop posting irresponsibly, and stop being a victim to illegal websites such as online gambling. For we must be wary and we must recognize their decorative lies, and we must share our voice, spread awareness, and shine some light upon the importance of cyber-smart, cyber-safe to others. For we are the golden generation of Indonesia. We are the future leaders who stand in a vast cyberspace ahead. If not us, then who? So now, with the future of our nation at hand, we must take a stand. Mari kita raih mimpi kita, dan mari kita tanam akar kita lebih dalam pada pengetahuan, lebih dalam pada karakter precious, serta lebih dalam pada budaya dan identitas kita, agar kita dapat dibentuk menjadi pemimpin yang bijak. Oleh karena itu, gantungkanlah cita-citamu setinggi langit, karena tidak ada mimpi yang tak dapat dicapai. Ing ngarsa sung tulodo, ing madya mangun korso, tutwuri handayani. Saya Alicia Ibrahim untuk Duta Pelajar Putri Jawa Timur 2025. Terima kasih.